Okay, welcome back with tangency problems. I'm gonna to continue with tangency problems. Open a new page. Now let's continue in front plane, and we need a circle here. Radius of this circle is 22. It will be 44 on diameter. Okay, and I need another circle here. It has 24 millimeter diameter, and dimension again between these two is given as 75, and let's say it seems that this one and here is 12. Yeah, it's black. Now let's continue with 3 points arc. I have an arc here to here, and the center is on the bottom. Okay, now this dimension, the radius of this, the arc is 55. It's 55, and this, if you check the paper, this one and this one is tangent, but nothing mentioned here. Okay, this one, it's not possible to have a tangency arc here. Okay, so we need extra dimension. This point and this point is 10. Okay, now we don't have tangency here, be careful. We have just this 10. Now 3 points arc here, first point, second point, third point. The center of the arc is here. Okay, dimension, radius is given as 85. Yeah, check the paper. This one is tangent to here, but again this point and this center height is 10. If you do so, the color will be black, and you just need to trim this one, and you have to trim this one. Okay, this part is, this sketch is number, let's say which one is 5 on your paper, and you have to be careful on drawing this part. Okay, now I'm gonna to go to next part to work on next part. Number 6 is a bit difficult. Okay, I will try to show you how we can create it. Okay, we are gonna to work on front. Now let's say we have line, use line to create. This one is vertical here, these two lines, another line from here to here to here. Okay, now much better, before going to next, much better to put dimension. This one is 25, here is 112. Okay, okay, now let's go use arc, 3 points arc, and first point, second point, and the third point. Center is here, be careful. Okay, now instead of doing this, please, let's do another term. It's much better. Circle, make 2 circles. Look here, one, another is here. Put dimension, or let's say these two is equal. okay, by control. And no, sorry, it is not equal. Control Z. This two is not equal. This one dimension is 9 in radius, it is 18. This one is 16. 8 is in radius. Okay, and let's say these 2 points are vertical, and these 2 circles, this one and this one, is tangent. Okay, I have this one is 16, this one is 18. These 2 points is vertical and 2 circles are tangent. Okay, now I am gonna to say that, okay, dimension between this point and this point here, this dimension is 10. This one is this 10 millimeter distance between this and this. And also I have another dimension between the line and the center. This height is 100. Okay, we did this. Okay, now it's time to use 3 points arc. 3 points arc. First point, second point is here, look, third point is here. Radius will be appeared here. Let's say dimension, this one is 140. Have a look to this center. This center is very, very important. Okay, now I'm gonna to say that this point with this point, it is horizontal. Oh, Control Z. Sorry, this one is tangent. Yeah, it is tangent. Yeah, just let's say these two, this one is equal with this. It will be black. Okay, I made this sketch up to here. Okay, now let's trim, use trim to trim this one and trim. Oh, oops, Control Z. Okay, now 3 points arc. First point, second point, and third point. Another 3 points arc here to here and to here. Okay, now you should say this one and this one, control this, is concentric. Okay, we have the same center point for these two. Okay, and radius here is 105. Okay, let's say this arc, radius of this arc is given as 100, and this one, center of this to here is 10, and from here to here is 25. Okay, we made this sketch. Now I should use fillet 6 millimeter, and between this one and this one is 6, confirm. And here again fillet 15, this arc and this line. Okay, now I just need to trim this side of the arc, and this one is a very complicated sketch. Actually, it's number 6 on your paper. Hope you will be able to repeat this part, and you have to perform all the steps in order to create. As you can see, this sketch, it is black. Now we may, for example, not given on the paper, you may use feature and extrude your part. Okay, this one is a part. Okay, it is very difficult and complicated part. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will continue with some other videos in tangency problems, and I'm going to bring some of this the sketch for you as a homeworks. You have to complete all the parts, and the ones which is not the reported on these videos definitely is your homeworks. You have to do this all of the parts which will be given on the paper. Good luck to you. See you soon.